Welcome back to Billionaire Challenge Chapter 5. I'm really happy to share with you today. We're going live. Good morning from LA to all traders around the world. Um, Today is very special chapter of this Billionaire Challenge. If you're thinking about the trading plan or the recording like previous week, you may miss that episodes, right? Because I'm not uploading any Billionaire Challenge episodes because I want to take it slow. And today there will be a recap day for the Billionaire Challenge. I want to share you what is my trade, and then how's my portfolio now, how much profit or losses that I made. And let's do some review for next week market prediction. And we're going to discuss on the trading plan or trading strategy discussion. And I will show you my latest signals to A Club Academy when I did not upload all the videos or the trading plan or my trading for the whole week, like last week, right? So today is very special because I'm gonna show you my portfolio and we're gonna talk more about the trading strategy directly from my account and also the recap from A Club Academy trading signal. All right. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen and we're gonna start one by one. For you, uh, if you just come by to this YouTube channel and you're just wondering what kind of program is this, this is the Billionaire Challenge. I started this program like 3 or 4 weeks ago. I challenged myself from $50,000 to $500,000. If previously you already knew that um, in the past 8 years, I made $5.5 million from just $2,000. Now I changed my mind. I don't want to continue with that account to show you, but I want to share the new journey of my trading. I set up $50,000 and I will bring it up to 50,000, sorry, $500,000. So far, there are like 15 traders that already joined this challenge. It's completely free. There's no commitment. They just need to set up the account and put some money that they want to start to challenge themselves. It start from $10,000. Some people uh, put 2,000, $20,000. Some people put $50,000, and they have their own um, private target. You know what I mean? I mean, if I set to $500,000, so maybe they have like $100,000, whatever. It's totally free. I mean, you can set whatever goals that you want, but the concept is if you join this program, I will guide you step by step with which method is the best to trade to be consistent in the market and totally is free. Okay, you can just call Astronacci and ask them how to start this. All right. Okay, so let me start to share my screen. Hopefully you can uh, get everything clear today. Okay, so this is my screen and this is the whole recap from 22nd. All right. If you haven't checked the previous episode, I recommend you to go to YouTube and you check the Billionaire Challenge Astronacci. Okay, so here you are. We got episode 1, episode 2, 3, and 4. This episode 4 was the live trade, right? And then the recording all as well when I was trading. Then this episode 5 is the next level of this episode 4, of course. We're gonna talk more about what happened after that episode 4. because I did not record any video for the whole week. Okay, I was so busy and I took a little bit slow on the progress. I did not have a time to make a video on this episode 5, so I did not record anything. So today that will be a live. I think this is better, and hopefully you're gonna be happy with this. Okay. Okay, let's take a look. The last episode 4, the latest signal was on September 22nd, and this is the A Club Trading Academy recap, because whatever I traded in the Billionaire Challenge, I also distributed the signal to A Club Academy. So this is our A Club Academy. We got around 1,000 members now. Okay, it's 3 months and a year membership program. I give them a live trading signal, and also they have e-learning with 100 videos. It's very valuable videos. Okay, so this is a recap. We're lucky because the 22nd of September to the 1st of October, we got green day. This is all the pips. You only have one break even. Okay, we're gonna go through this one by one, and this is the 22nd of September. I put sell gold 1899 to 1901. This is a take profit. Stop loss 1913. The sell reason will be the bearish continuation. If you want to see more, that will be here. Right. Okay, this is the A Club. We're using Line Messenger, but next month, it's a good news. We're gonna have a new app for A Club. Okay, I'm not sure where's the line, but this is all the A Club. There's a no chat signal, and there's another lounge for talking. The whole member is over here. Okay, this is in Bahasa, but um, we're gonna make another international version. Okay, this is one of our member that share our website app. This is the membership area for A Club, but it's okay. Just like an introduction for you, right? Now we're gonna go through this one by one, but let's see. This is my account, 88 737 800. I love Boeing very much. I'm gonna get my pilot information 737 800 rating soon after the pandemic. Okay, so from 50,000 now it's become $76,000. So that's why this is the main reason I took the pace slowly, because I already made like 50% on the September. I don't want to like trap in the over trade situation and then finally I lose all money. All right, let's see. I started on September the 7th with $50,000. You can see that will be the episode 1, of course, right? So you already follow all of this trade. I got several losses here. You can see this in episode 2 or 3 if I can remember. So we will start from the 22nd of September. Okay, this is the last trade I made. This is the last one lot, right? Sorry, where's that? Okay, here you go. This is the last one lot that I closed it like 1889 with the $1,600 profit. And the 23rd, that will be the next trade of this Billionaire Challenge. I did not make a recording on this. I put sell 4 lots gold 1889, right? I did not put a stop loss here because I trade based on the time trading, based on the time stop loss. So it means if there's a time limit, okay? If the gold um, doesn't show that the bears will continue, then I'm gonna close the order. If I want to sleep, I will set it to break even. So in this case, I'm doing the intraday trading, my hand in the computer. I don't want to get I want to get stopped out because of the whipsaw. So I put directly my hand on the screen, and I'm really happy. I'm trading with the MRG Premier. This is very great broker, direct to liquidity provider, no record, is very fast execution. And they pay me a lot of money when I won the battle. If you see, this is my main account. Okay, let me show you. I put 2,000. Oops, where's that time? I put $2,000 on 12 uh, December 21st, $2,000, 2012. It's like 8 years ago, and I did a withdrawal like $5 million withdrawal. That's amazing, right? This is my last trade. The 2nd October, I lost this amount of money. Ah, in my main account, right? And this is my Billionaire Challenge account. I'm really taking care of this account. That's why I stopped to trade in this account. I trade to my other account with all the A Club members. Then because I already got like 50% on this, that's really makes sense if I stop the trading at that time. Okay. So let's take a look to the 22nd. Let's back to 22nd. That will be here. So the best part of the MetaTrader, you can just click here and drag it. You'll see this is my entry point and this is my exit point. I know this is not really great trading because when I sell here and I have a little bit courage to hold it, I will get like 360 pips. Even though I know the Fibonacci here, um, the 161.8 external retracement of Fibonacci will be here. I supposedly can hold the profits, but remember, the strategy when the market works really volatile, I don't want to lose all the money. So it's better to take the profit in our trailing. So I have the rule here. The minimum profits for gold will be like 70 pips. If the market is so volatile, I will put like 100 pips on that. Okay. That time the market was so volatile. So let's see what was the recap. This is the September 22nd. So I sell gold here. Uh, the take profit number one is here. We changed that to 1890. We update it, and congratulations. If you want to take it, it's okay. We publish this in Bahasa Indonesia, okay? And finally, the gold, the final take profit done 1882. So let's see, where's 1882? I don't even take that. Okay, it's over here. Oh yeah, it's 1882. All right. So now we're gonna discuss why I did this trade. Okay, that's a trade number one. All right. So this is the area. I will put the yellow shape here. We're not gonna lose this. Okay. This is my first trade. I know again, uh, I did not do very long trade because like from here to here is already like 70 pips for me. That's a minimum profit I got. For 4 lots, it's already like $3,000. And as you can see, the price go went up again here and back around the highest shadow here is about like 12 pips. Can you imagine if gold that time it didn't go down and going up, then I'm gonna lose the opportunity. As long as I know the rules that why I take that position because here we go. The external retracement from this swing to this swing is already 161.8. So I'm not going to take more than this level because 80% of the time when gold meet its 161.8 retracement, external retracement, it will go up or at least doing like 50% rejection, retracement, I mean, from this part. Okay. So I don't want to lose the money. That's why I take it. I don't take it by feelings or just guessing, but I have a very strong reason for this external retracement of Fibonacci. All right. Now let's talk about why I was sold gold over here. The question is, how I determine the trend. As you can see, it's very obvious if you're looking at this part, let's say the end of the chart, right? The trend was really bearish. Always remember, the success key to trade in forex market or gold market is always be with the trend. You don't want to against the trend. Okay, how to do it? Number one, I will change that to the line chart over here. And I already teach this in our special workshop of price action strategy. You can go to the astronacci.com. I will show you later if you want to learn more about the very simple way to see the trend, to find the best trend, the best probability to win the battle, right? Sorry, excuse me. So this is the downtrend, and you connect all the dot here using the Dow theory. It states that it's using the line chart is better to see the real price because sometimes you don't want to consider the wick or the shadow of the candle. Sometimes it could be a noise. There's a volume on that wick. Okay, but overall, after you can see here, as long as the price it does not close above the 1904 because this is the base, okay, this is resistance, then the trend will be still in a bearish. When you know the trend is bearish, the only position that you want to take is a sell. Okay, we always follow the trend. And the biggest of Astronacci method on that is when the price trapped in sideways, you're gonna do like maybe several cut losses. It's okay because you get trapped into the sideways, but when the trend back to normal, you're gonna make a lot of money. Okay, in this case, I know that the price was exhausted. It rose back to the trend line and a lot of resistance over here. So I was waited to for the gold to back to 1897 around here, right? But as you know, you have to see the price action itself. If there is a rejection when the price approaching this trend line, especially for gold, for the pound sterling pairs in the forex, then you're waiting for the price action itself. If it doesn't come out with the exhaustion continuation, then you're gonna sell it right away. Okay. In this case, okay, let me drag this because you already know that my consideration is I'm waiting for the price uh, exhaustion over here. And as you can see, what happened here, okay, there was a rejection candle, okay. You see this, the red candle, like a pin bar at resistance, all right? If you see the closing price with the line chart, it exactly touch the trend line, as simple as that, guys. But I'm not selling at that point because I need a confirmation. That's why I'm selling here. I even call a sell trading to the A Club members here, the 1899. Why? Because I need to wait until, let me show you. I need to wait until this swing high, the rejection at this trend line happened. Exactly on the next opening candle, all right, I asked my members to sell gold that time. And what happened here? As you know, the 70 pips, because I'm using the intraday time frame, I'm using the 15 minutes chart. Okay, let me clear this up first. Okay, I'm using 15-minute chart, and I show you before from this point, this already like 1.618. That's a Fibonacci exponential. I don't care, even though this is going down, I can just resell over here, but I didn't. I already got to this amount, so I'm really happy for that day. This is the 23rd of September. Okay, that, yeah, that's 23rd of September, and then the next day I took another trade. But if you can see, this is the 24th of September. I did not make any money. I just lose some money here. I'm not sure what I was doing that time, but definitely I lose some money. So let's see. Okay, let me drag again. Uh, Another trade. All right, there you go. That's over here. I was sold gold, but I have no confidence to hold it until down. It's totally my mistake. But let's see what was my recommendation over here. Yeah, this is takes profit here. 23rd gold sell, take profit done. Yeah, okay. So I was confused that time, and I asked all the members to exit the gold because there's a potential sideways. And gold already down like 50 pips. As for break even, let me check a little bit on the YouTube. Wait a sec. Oh yeah, everything good. All right. Another 24th September, sell 1860 to 61, stop loss 69, take profit. Here is really wide range trade. Every time I put wide range, it means that in the 30 minutes chart or 15-minute chart, gold force you to get a very wide stop loss, and I it's really painful for me. I don't like that. That's why I really confused that time. So I ended up lose money. And let's see here. I was so dumb. You see, I sell it here, and finally, what's happened? I just screw up that time. Okay, I made losses on 24th September, but this is my strategy. This is a beautiful one because look, oh, where is that? Oh, this is on the pound yen. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, this is the pound yen. This is not the gold. Pound yen, I lost about $756. Okay, I sold it here. I thought it was a bearish, and in fact, I did a mistake. Right? Like I said, I don't. I'm not a Superman. I I've done a lot of stupid things in my trade. Okay, the question is why I was thinking that this was a bearish because can you imagine this all downtrend and it just break the support. I thought it went down. Okay, it could continue down, but it wasn't. It just did a false break here and coming back. Why I did this mistake? Because I did not even realize about this. There was a higher high over here. There's a like 60% chances for the pound yen to reverse to a bullish, and I didn't aware on that. Okay, so I back to gold. I was buy 5 lots, 1860. Let's see. Yep, the counter trend. I know. This is counter trend trade, a wide range, buy stop gold 1860. This is like profit and stop loss. The stop loss more than 100 pips. The reason was trendline break, double bottom, and EMA 90 will be the first target. All right, it's very clear over here. This is my trade. I shared this to A club, the double bottom, as you can see here. Let me use this. Double bottom, okay. The trend line break. Let me see whether I can see. Boom. Oh, no, it's definitely not this. This trend line, because the minimum will be 2 points. So this break And we got a double bottom over here. Let me put the EMA, okay? Where's my moving average? Sometimes I'm not really clear. All right, this very perfect trade. So let's take a look. Buy stop gold 1860, take profit 1893. Why? Because the EMA target will be the target price. And it is here. So it's around here, right? So I took my profits around 70 pips again because this is a counter trend. This really makes sense. I don't like counter trend, but if you already see like a trend line break and you got a double bottom over there, I think it's a good idea to do a counter trend. Of course, you need to get ready with the stop and reverse. In fact, if gold turned back and it did not respect at all to the counter trend, did not respect to the trend line break, then you have to reverse that to sell again. So in this case, I took my profits before the EMA 90. The reason was same. If you can see here, I was trying to be very consistent on my trade. This is the external retracement. Let me draw it for you over here, right? Here to here and go up. Remember this pattern? I always teach my students, my A club member, this is XAY, okay? You see, external retracement 161.8. It's beautiful, isn't it? Then it's give me $3,700, okay? For 5 lots. It's about 70 pips. It's beautiful trade. All right. Now the next trade, let's see what I was doing that time. The next trade will be sell on the 28th of September. Ah, this is really lucky. And you see, I was sold this gold at the last part of the bearish. There was a base. It's very clear. There's a consolidation here. The supply equal the demand, and then the price broke down. I sold it, and I took my profit here. Let's do another Fibonacci. Yeah, it's same. I took exactly at 161.8. I tried to be very consistent on my trading setup because that's the key to keep making money, right? Let's see 28. All right. So this is the 28th of September in the A Club, 1:35 p.m. Sell gold 1858 to 1857. Take profits 45. Stop loss 65. It's about 70 pips, right? Risk to reward is pretty good. It's more than 1.5, I think, or at least more than 1.1. One on one, I mean. Okay. Recent break based on the hourly chart. This is the base, what I mean. Okay, and we were lucky because the breakout was an impulsive candle. So it's very clear, it's easy trade, super duper easy because consolidation, break, and just like a normal breakout trading, and finally you made some money over here, $1,250. But the next trade, I did stupid and idiot things. I lost about 2 grand. What was happened? I tried to sell again here because I saw the candle was like a huge engulfing rejection with the long wick candle, but the price already moved above the EMA 90. I don't think this is a good idea. I don't know what I was thinking that time. Sometimes I did very stupid things and I lost like $2,000. And I want to tell you guys, if you trade gold without the stop loss, trade the forex with a stop loss, you're gonna burn all of money. And this is like a real setup of my trading, a real mistake, step by step. Okay, I can prove to you, even though I got commission here because I trade directly to the liquidity provider. If you get a broker with a zero commission, zero swap, that's a bullshit broker. Okay, don't ever trade on that broker. They're gonna play around with the spread, with the slippage. They're gonna burn your money. In this case, even though I paid a commission, uh, and I lost the money, it's fine because I got a stop loss and stop loss saved me. A lot of people, the newbie, they don't care about the stop loss. They feel that, okay, I will trade with the hope. No. And every weekend, I need you to review all your trade like this step by step. Just click here and drag it, and you will know what have you done that time, right? So, okay, let's see. All right. So basically, in this trade, I did not share my trade to A club. No, I did not. So all the members were making money. Yeah. But me, I did a stupid mistake. That's me. Okay. Okay, let's learn from my stupid mistake. What was happened? After I made profit here, maybe that time I thought that it was still bearish since I got a several resistance, multiple rejection here. It really makes sense why I sold gold. Does that make sense for you? Because this is like there were multiple rejections over here. Here you go. I got one rejection, second rejection, third rejection, and now the price um, retested that multiple rejections. Okay, and if you can see, very big engulfing candle. If you were here in my position, multiple rejection, engulfing candle, close below that, right? False break. I saw it here. I think after we're looking to the situation, now I can accept my mistake. I mean, yeah, that's very makes sense if I sold gold over here before. What do you think, guys? Does that make sense? Put a comment below. Okay. Yeah, Brian. Yeah, you can see. I think it's really acceptable if I sold gold here, wasn't it? Right? Because I expect like a multiple rejection will continue with another bearish movement over here, right? Does that make sense? Do not use cycles. This time I only use the price action strategy. I'm not using any cycles because I don't use cycles. But next week, guys, just wait for next week. There will be the Mercury retrograde cycle. I'm gonna make another video for the official trading plan, like usually. That will be a great massive trade for the next 3 weeks. I'm gonna do a lot of trade, buy, 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 buy. In fact, if my plan goes well, right, the Mercury retrograde will be a bullish for gold, just like my journal. Okay, then I will buy. But for now, let's take a look here. This is like 30 minutes time frame. Okay, if you can see here, I supposedly sell, and that's very makes sense. But what happened? Boom, the gold wasn't down immediately, and that's number one. I supposedly relies on this. Okay, I shouldn't wait like this, especially when the price closed above the EMA 90, like several scandal here. It means the average price is above the EMA 90. There's a huge chance for gold to become bullish. Okay. And as you can see, boom, it's going up. So I have to do my cut loss. And why I put my stop here, because it's really clear that was the highest part of this engulfing candle. So number one, if you did a mistake, it's normal. Okay, there's no 100% strategy in this game. You have a very high probability, multiple rejection in this yellow area. There's engulfing candle. You expect that will go down. All right, listen carefully on this. In fact, you got 1, 2, 3, 30 minutes candle to decide to exit. but I didn't. I just thought that the bear should continue as long as this high wasn't taken out. But when the price hit this high, I definitely will be very consistent with my trading plan. I don't care how many lose I got. So $2,000, boom. Okay, can we assume multiple rejection wall endurance weekend? No, not like that. Okay, but if the price is already making like multiple higher highs, you should be careful with that. So like let's say this is high, okay, and it's become high here. There will be another like significant situation that the price could be bullish, and then this multiple rejection will not be respected. All right. Okay, so at the same time over here, the 28th, I realized that this bullish was started. Why? Because the price took my stop loss, and then the price was moving above the EMA 90. So I'm aware the higher high already here because it took out this. You got two higher highs. This is like another higher, one higher high, two higher highs. Price moving above the EMA. Then it's very clear that the price will be back to bullish. Let's see what was the next trade. Boom. That was my stop and reverse. Okay, let me tell you about this strategy, okay? When you trade and you're really sure the price will go down in this case. This could be like rejection from multiple, I mean, like a reversal, like a engulfing candle from multiple resistance rejection, or you got like a double top pattern. So let's say you got double top, right? Normally this double top will go down, okay? But when you sell over here on the false break and the price goes up like this, 80% of the time, if you take the stop and reverse, that will give you a lot of money. At least recover from the losses. In this case, I know exactly from this reason the price making a base over here. I believe you all agree because this is a base above the EMA and the price reverse took my stop loss. What is the best probability for this gold? That will be a potential bullish continuation or reversal, right? So I took buy 6 slots to save my account. Why 6 slots? Because at that moment, 6 slots will be adequate for my equity. They're already like maybe $60,000 that time. All right, why using EMA 90? In Astronacci, if you have the time to visit my workshop, okay, you can go to Astronacci shop. I strongly suggest you invest on the DVD Ultimate. The Ultimate DVD is really good. I explain why I'm using the 21, 34, 90 EMA over here, or the Money Market Deluxe. It's really great. More than 3,000 DVDs already sold, guys. A lot of people got benefits from this. I'm not sure whether or not you already watched this. Please send me in comments below if you already watched this DVD. Okay. All right. So let's continue. The 90, I took it because the 90 is like if you are using the 0, 90, 120, 180, it's the astrological numbers. 90 is representing the square aspect of the planet. Okay. Now, I was reversed that position to buy just right away after cut. I did not use the moon cycle that time, but because my stop loss was taken out, so I have to recover from my loss, right? But I was lucky I sold it here. Why? Again, be very consistent with your trading system. If people say, how can I make money? Because I'm consistent in my trading plan. Even though I suffer from losses, you see, The external retracement here, XAY, already 161.8, and I took my profits there. As you can see, the gold went down. How many times from the beginning you see this, right? A lot of things, lot of evidence. You see this, right? What do you think, guys, about my um, take profit method, the exit method? I know after that the price went up like crazy, but at least here is really good for me um, to take the profit here. Okay. Uh, Tarik garis cocok lagi. What are you talking about? Okay. Uh, Let me challenge you. If you're saying that I'm just putting all the lines here, can you make this kind of money? Um, I put 50 grand September 7th, and now it's become $76,000 with all consistent methods, or you just become idiot in this case. Please. All right. If you don't like this, just go away because this is live and this is Indonesia. I know if you're from America and you're from Singapore, Malaysia, I'm Indonesian, but I can honestly, I really shame to see some of like traders in the internet. They become really dumb and idiot, you know. Uh, but it's okay, guys. Let's continue. But remember that the consistency on that Fibonacci for the take profit or the exit point is really matter because if you're not exiting here, what's gonna happen with your position? You're gonna get a break even, and from this part, the 28th of September and this is 29th of September is already like 24 hours. It's like maybe the next day, right? This is the next day and you will not get any money. You will never recover, even though the price goes like crazy. But who knows? Nobody knows, guys. This could be after 1.60. I mean 1.161.8. Okay, I'm sorry. This could be after that. It's going down like this. Nobody knows. Who who knows, right? Then it's better if you just suffer from losses. All right. It's better for you to just take the profit based on the objective reason. All right. In this case, that's the external Fibonacci. That's a consideration because you just suffer from losses. A lot of people after they lose, they just stuck. They just freeze. They don't do anything. Okay. They just don't know what to do. I'm so stressed. It's because your lot is too big. No matter where you are, if you are now in America or Singapore or Malaysia, you're watching this and you're trading on the Forex and pound, just make sure that you have very good ratio, the risk management. Sometimes the 2% or 5% rules of money management, it doesn't work. As you're feeling, will you accept, will you afford, okay, that amount of losses? That's a very important part of risk management. In this case, I can be very easy to switch my position because I already got some profits on that. So I believe that the gold will going up with 80% probability, but I don't want to hold it long. I can just hold it to 261.8, but I just want to exit here. I want to end my stupidity. I want to end my wrong trade, even though I got a very strong reason and that was acceptable for me to sell it here. Okay. Now, there are three more trades for tonight. Let's talk about it. I hope you enjoy this, guys. Okay. Yeah, that's right. If there's no cycle, the technical analysis will not perform well. That's true. That's true. Thank you, Andre. Yeah, the Fibonacci Platinum is really good because you will get the proper training of how to use the Fibonacci, right? All right. Okay, let's take another trade on the 29th September. I got only like 30 pips. I got $700 profit. It's not really that good, you see. I just enter here and exit here at the end of the party. Mr. Pius, when you buy one package, got the flash disk. I don't know whether or not you buy the original version or not, because if you buy the original version, you will always get the update. Okay, until today. Okay, let's see this. The 29th September. Okay. All right. The 29th September, there was a double bottom. Oh yeah, that's true. 1.5 million. That is the original. Yeah, you can you know you can pay the flash disk, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure, Mr. Harris. Supposedly the original. It is in the e-learning. We're not selling the we're not selling the USB. Okay, USB on that. So make sure that you buy the original because you're gonna get the updates. Okay, let's take a look to September 29. Okay, where is that? Okay, September 29. I'm not sure where I'm looking at. Okay. Oh, it could be here, but there you go. All right, take a look at this. All right. Okay, the DVD now is on the e-learning. You can access online anywhere, everywhere. Okay. The 29, there was, I think there, no. Okay, here. There were two trades on this. Number one is 1876, but I did not jump into this trading moment. I did trade on this. White range gold buy 1889, stop loss 1879, and this take profit. White range, watch your lot. Let's remember on this. And then finally, gold reach 100 pips now and going back. Just take all right? Okay, let's take a look on this. Okay, I was entered here. What's the reason? One, the trend is bullish. It's absolutely bullish. Why I asked them to do a trade on this? Let's put on the line chart, right? It's very obvious the trend was bullish. I'm not doing the chart pattern, even though there was a rising wedge on this. It's very clear rising wedge. Now, there was a pin bar. It's very strong wick, rejection, going up, and I'm trying to do like a normal breakout, break over here because there was a long rejection candle. All right. Then I bought it here. Why I took profit here? Again, let's see. Boom. 161.8 over here, but I did not take the trade. Maybe I was in a meeting that time. I just forgot. I did not put my profit target. And let's see what happened. After hit this number, the price went down. So I realized, okay, I have to exit manually. So I took it manually. I got about 700 plus. Okay, it's very clear. If you want to learn about the Fibonacci, I got the DVD of Fibonacci. You can go to the Astronacci shop, right? You can find the Fibonacci over here. That's the art of Fibonacci trading. It's really good for you. The money magnet is really powerful. Okay, we're making this 2 days workshop of the money magnet secret for international. I believe you are gonna like it. No matter you trade in U.S. stock, Europe, Singapore, whatever, that will help you to make money. All right. Okay, let's take a look to the next trade. I got this trade. All right, this is beautiful trade I made over here. Boom. This is the last trade for tonight, guys. And next week, I'm gonna set up my trading plan. Okay, why I enter buy in this position? Let's see. That's October the 1st. Another signal for October the 1st. Buy 1898 to 1900. The take profit will be 1915. Stop loss 1893. And the take profit done, guys. Everybody happy. As you know, this is a recap. The first October, I can say why all green because we just lucky. The trend is really good. Sometimes we have to take some losses over there, right? Okay, let's see. What was the reason behind? Now, the trend, let's say you're looking at this part, the price is very bullish. There's no drama on this. It's very clear that the trend is bullish. There was a base. Let me draw the base over here. There was a base, right? The price break from the base, making a higher low, second higher low, right? Then I decided to buy because this is the bullish harami. Where was my buy? Hmm. Oh yeah, there you go. It was like this. There was a harami rejection. All right, it's very clear rejection. If I gotta put another line here, see this line. See this line very carefully. What was this? This was the base area or the resistance area has been retested. So after broke this resistance, gold went back down to retest it. Then there was a strong bullish candle. So I put it like market execution here. Okay, it's buy over here. Boom, price goes up, and I took a profit here. The question now, why as I exit over here and the price going down? Look, it did not even reach this area. Why this time is different? Okay, there must be explanation on this. Okay, why I close at this point? Look, because there's a multiple rejection over here. I don't want to wait until the price reaches here because if you're looking to the previous multiple resistances, you know that the price has a chance to reject before reach the Fibonacci 161.8. Even though it hit finally, you see that? But after so many drama going down, and this wasn't count. So for me, it's better to exit here because I know there was a strong resistance over there. Okay, it's pretty clear. And this is about 100 pips, and everybody happy in A club, right? And finally, that's the story how I made $26,000 from the 7th of September, starting 50,000 is about 50% now, with several losses. There's no such thing of perfect trade, guys, right? And before we stop this live, I want to share you my plan. This is most likely what's gonna happen in the next 2 weeks. And I already share it in A Club tonight, over here. There's a Eye of Future research already published. So there is a potential falling wedge, but the price will go down first until these dates, this time period. The support will be maximum. Remember the maximum, right? Maximum, it means maximum is about 1860 or 1850. This could be in the middle of this area. Doesn't have to be here because that's the maximum. So after that, following by the bullish. Again, this is just like a roadmap, like what we can say, like pre-analysis, or just like initial outlook of gold, preliminary of gold outlook. Okay, but I'm gonna update it in episode 6 on Billionaire Challenge. Hopefully, I can make another 20 or 30 grand here. My target on this area, I will make like 20 or $30,000 profit. All right. So, all right. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hopefully, this can be a great lesson for you. You can share it. If you want to join the Billionaire Challenge, just visit the Astronacci website, or let me give you the number to chat this time, okay? I got this number. You can text or call for the US. You got a WhatsApp for Indonesia number. But if you are international traders, it's okay, guys. It's just a matter of numbers. Just shoot us a WhatsApp. And we're gonna talk about how to join this Billionaire, or even you want to join to the A Club. Got a signals, bunch of e-learning videos, more than hundreds, right? Just talk. We're gonna trade together and learn how to survive in this market. And I don't know whether or not I can make money next week, but let's see. We're gonna do our best to make money. I need you to be very consistent on your trading. Losses is just losses. You can lose all the money, or you can just survive like this. I lost several trades here and burn my money out, right? But as long as you're using the stop loss and your risk management is good, I think you're gonna survive. Okay. This Billionaire Challenge is the international content, guys. So this is not only Indonesian to watch this. This is the only content for all traders around the globe. Okay. If anyone from Indonesia, you don't really know English, you can open, I think, the subtitle on the YouTube, set it to Indonesia. Okay, I really appreciate your time and hopefully you enjoy this lesson. The review, the trading plan, and the strategy that we already discussed. See you on the next episode.